A priori's regional data libraries provide up-to-date information on supplier pricing in 79 geographic regions throughout the world. Strategic sourcing is a key aspect that we must focus on to ensure that we keep our costs in line and maximize profitability. Using the data libraries, we can look for opportunities to plan our production with insight into variances around the world. Here we are looking at a part which has been cost in each of the 79 regions. If I explore the right-hand side of the chart, I can see the low-cost regions. India, Indonesia, and Vietnam are all around the $80 mark for this component. I can compare this to the higher cost regions on the other side of the chart. The same part in Switzerland, $510, $452, $421, $400. I can also see an interesting step in the middle of the chart. If I investigate this, I can see on one side we have Spain at $237 and on the other Portugal at $177. There is a $60 difference between these two regions which share a land border. So for example, if I had a facility in Spain, I might choose to send my components to Portugal for manufacture and then have them delivered back to my facility in Spain for final inspection and dispatch.